Hi, my name is Sela, and this is my introduction to thermochemistry. What is thermochemistry? It is the study of energy changes that occur during a chemical reaction or a change in state. Energy is the capacity to work or supply heat. No, not that heat. Yeah, more like this heat. Like with the law of conservation of mass, we have the law of conservation of energy, which is energy cannot be destroyed or created. So where does that energy come from? Energy is stored in molecular bonds as chemical potential energy. Chemical potential energy is energy that leads to work. Today we will look at energy through the transfer of heat. Heat flows from areas of higher temperature to areas of lower temperature. In an endothermic process, the system gains heat as the surroundings cool down. In an exothermic process, the system loses heat as the surroundings heat up. If we have a cup of ice as our system and put it above heat, do we have an exothermic or endothermic process? The answer is endothermic, since the heat is going into the cup with ice. If, however, our system is the burner, then we have an exothermic process, since the heat is going away from the burner. Heat flow is measured in two common units, the calorie and the joule. Remember guys, 1 calorie equals 4.19 joules. Heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to increase the substance exactly 1 degree Celsius. The heat capacity of an object depends on both its mass and its chemical composition. Therefore, more heat is required to raise the temperature of the larger amount than the lesser amount. Heat capacity is also determined by chemical composition. Here we have equal amounts of water and salt water. The heat capacity of these solutions is not equal. In fact, salt water has a lower heat capacity. Much like heat capacity, specific heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to increase 1 gram of a substance exactly 1 degree Celsius. The amount of heat Q given off or absorbed by a substance with specific heat capacity C is equal to the mass M of the substance multiplied by the specific heat capacity multiplied by the change in temperature. This equation is very useful in solving problems regarding thermochemistry. I hope you have enjoyed my introduction to thermochemistry, and good luck on your final, everyone!